Hi guys, it's Jeff with Construction Fastening. I'm going to show you a little bit about the Powers or DeWalt Wall Dog. It's an alternative to using something like an easy anchor screw into drywall. As you can see, it obviously is going to auger a little bit out. It's a little smaller hole, so it's nicer for lightweight static applications. I use them like for hanging whiteboards and stuff. It seems to work very nicely for that. If you're mounting tie wrap mounts, this is the Hellerman CTM 110 tie wrap mount. You can see it fits in there. Some of the import tie wrap mounts you might have trouble with it, but it works for that. The larger ones, it really works real well. These you have to screw a little, they're a little tight, but they go in there. I'm not going to show you how to install them because I would assume you know how to run a screwdriver. You can put them in with a drill or an impactor. Again, don't get carried away and strip them out. But one interesting thing about the Powers or DeWalt Wall Dog is that you can use it in concrete. You'd have to pre-drill a 3/16 hole, but in a pinch that'll work well for concrete. Not as strong as a Tapcon, but again, for a lightweight application it'll work. It'll also mount into wood for you. I think you can get it through a steel stud if the stud is rigid enough. But at that point, you're probably going to use a sharp point or self-drilling screw anyways. But there you have it, the Powers are in DeWalt number 2316 Wall Dog. There's other types available, including hex head and the countersunk or oval head for you as well too. You'll find them online and in stock at constructionfastening.net.